Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to community dentistry, dental fluorosis. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now, today's topic is dental fluorosis. In today's video, we will study definition of dental fluorosis, characteristics of dental fluorosis, causes of fluorosis, optimum level of fluoride. First, we start from definition of dental fluorosis. Before going to definition, first we understand the whole process of fluorosis. Now, when our tooth development occurs, there is a stage of tooth development, mineralization stage, maturation stage, in which there is enamel and dentine mineralization occur. When we take high amount of fluoride during tooth development stage, especially mineralization and maturation stage, this fluoride stop the mineralization process. When they stop the mineralization and maturation process, in result on that area on which mineralization occur, on that area the spaces become created. Why? Because normally on that area mineralization occur, but when fluoride stop the mineralization, the spaces for mineralization remain vacant, empty. In result, there will be porosity. When porosity occur, this porosity area change into white patches, pits, and on that vacant area stain become accumulated. This is the whole process of fluorosis. Mean high concentration of fluoride inhibit the mineralization process. In the result, there will be hypomineralization of enamel and dentine, hypoplasia of enamel and dentine. In the result, there will be porosity due to insufficient mineralization, and in the result, these porosity area change into pits, and these porosity area change into white patches, opaque patches. This porosity area change into stains, and when white patches occur, stain occur, the luster of enamel become lost. This whole process occur during developmental stage of tooth mineralization and maturation stage, and also during tooth eruption. Now come to the definition. What is dental fluorosis? Dental fluorosis is a hypomineralization or hypoplasia of enamel or dentine produced by chronic ingestion of excessive amount of fluoride during the period when teeth are erupting. When teeth are erupting. This is the definition of fluorosis. Now come to the characteristics of fluorosis. How we identify between normal and fluorosis patient teeth. How we can differentiate. The characteristics of fluorosis, the first characteristic is lusterless enamel. The patient enamel become lusterless. There no luster, no shining on enamel surface. Second characteristic is opaque or white patches in enamel which may become stained or pitted. There will be opaque or white patches on enamel which may become stained or pitted. These are the two characteristics of fluorosis. Number one, lusterless enamel. Number two, white or opaque patches which in future become stain are fitted. Now come to the causes of fluorosis. In causes of fluorosis, the major cause of fluorosis is consumption of water which have high concentration of fluoride. Its major cause is consumption of water containing high level of fluoride. This is the major cause of fluorosis. Now come to the optimum level of fluoride. Mean that level which are not harmful for us, which are good for our teeth health, optimum level of fluoride. In drinking water, optimum level of fluoride is 0.7 to 2.3 ppm parts per million. Mean the optimum level of fluoride in drinking water is range from 0.7 to 2.3 parts per million. Daily fluoride intake from all sources. Daily fluoride intake from all sources like from water, from milk. For adult, daily fluoride intake from all sources for adult is 2.2 mg and for children is 1.2 mg. Mean daily intake of fluoride from all sources including water fluoridation, milk fluoridation, from toothpaste. Daily intake of fluoride from all sources for adult is optimum level is 2.2 mg. For children it is half 1.2 mg. If increase the concentration from this optimum range, in the result there will be fluorosis. Now today we studied the definition, characteristics of fluorosis, causes of fluorosis, optimum level of fluorides. In next video we will study the indices for fluorosis and treatment and prevention of fluorosis. Now today our topic is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open all notification in order to you receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.